Hi, it's Julie. Today I wanted to show you something that I'm really excited about and hopefully some of you would be very interested in. I went out and got myself a bag for spring. I usually keep one or two bags and I just wear them out. That's kind of been my history as far as bags go. But this year I thought, because my bag was black that I've been using for months and months, I thought I want a spring summertime bag. So I found one that is sort of a good all year bag. It's by HOBO. It looks like this. On this side, it was 30% off, by the way, which was great. On this side, it has a nice big pouch pocket on the outside for my phone, which I love. That is one of the things that I really enjoy having with a bag, is so that I have easy access to my phone. And then on the other side, it has a nice long zippered area that I can put my keys and things like lip balm or lip gloss. I love having easy access to that too, because I'm always applying not so much lipstick but lip balm or lip gloss on. And this is just slightly larger than the bag that I had before, which was really tight to fit all of the things that I wanted to carry in it. But it was a crossbody, which I love having my hands free. And this one just has these sort of straps. These straps are fine for over my shoulder. It's very comfortable, but it is not one that I can put across my body. And it has no loops here, metal loops for one, and did not come with one. But on the inside, it just was so practical. I loved everything about the bag except that it wasn't crossbody. Inside, it just has a really pretty lining. Two pouches here. Let's see if I can do this better. There we go. Two pouches here so that I can put my hand sanitizer or reading glasses. Same thing on the other side. I've got these two pouches here. Sunglasses. I don't know what else I would put here. Maybe gum or hand lotion, something like that. And then a nice big area in the middle that I can put anything else that I need to, like a full-size wallet, which is nice, rather than a tiny one, because you know you get change sometimes, you don't have anywhere to put it. And then for the summertime too, you might want to throw a book in there or sunscreen or you know whatever else you might want. I really thought long and hard about getting this bag because it did not have a crossbody with it. So I brought it home and I started thinking, I wonder if there's a way that I can make it a crossbody. But then I looked and it's got this zipper here, doesn't have it that big of an opening, and then the only other zipper is on the same side. If you can see, there's not one to kind of cross it with. And then if it's across your body and you want to unzip it, you've got this whole thing that you're dealing with the strap. So I went to Walmart and looked for little grommets. I wanted to find some in silver because the hardware is silver, but they were out. So I bought some that kind of sort of match the bag, the leather a little bit, and are just big enough for a clip to go through if I were to get a strap. So I got two things. One of the things I picked up was this set here. I'm going to insert a picture because I don't have the name of them, but they're these brass grommets that are somewhat small. I'll insert the size as well because I don't remember, but they look like this. There's two sides to it. One fits into the other. You buy this little thing that's in Walmart right next to it. It's a tool and it looks very simple. Both of these together were less than $5. I think they were maybe $2 a piece each for the set of 10 or so sets of grommets, and then this little tool. Well, they come with instructions about how to set it up and how to hammer it through. My husband did it, I did not, so I can't say exactly what the process is, but it's very simple. And then once you've hammered this where you want it to go, kind of outlines exactly what you need to snip. So you take really pointy, sharp scissors, or I think he used wire cutters, needle nose wire cutters, and you just trim the leather or the fabric that's in the center there, and then you can line up your grommets and hammer them. And let me show you, I mean, it took him less than 10 minutes to do this. And there's that side, and then there's one, of course, on this side as well. Did not ruin the lining. Here, I'll show you. Did not ruin the lining, did not ruin the leather. See, that's what the inside of that looks like. And believe me, I was nervous because 30% off this, it was still an expensive bag. I will be careful though not to put too much weight, just because I don't want to really test that. But I wasn't, you know, that's easy to avoid. So then I went online looking for a guitar strap. Now you've probably heard of these. I first heard about it on Lisa D1. She got a Gucci one, I believe, and it was really quite expensive. But they are kind of a fashion statement. They're a little trendy, but they can be very expensive. So I went online on Amazon to see what I could find that would not be expensive. And I found this Lamb Gallery 2-inch wide guitar style purse strap. And this is the pattern I picked out because I liked the colors with the bag. It's adjustable. I'm only 5'2", so I can't have this too long or it's going to be hitting me in the butt. So this goes from 35 inches to 52 inches. And they have ones that have gold hardware as well as silver hardware. They have brown leather and this black leather. They have, I don't know, at least 20 or more. I'll put the link down below so you can go take a look. But they have so many patterns, colors, really colorful ones. And then this one is a little bit more muted. They are so comfortable. And this was $20.99. And I had my daughters try it on, you know, put my purse on, and they were just wowed by how comfortable it feels across your shoulders. It does not look inexpensive. It has worn really well. They are canvas. They're just great. I would love to get another one actually, so I can kind of switch up the look with this bag. So here it is, clipped on. And I went out with a girlfriend and we went and had coffee and walked all around, and I told her what I had done to this bag, and she said she never would have known that I would have put in the grommets and that it did not come with the bag. That's how much she thought it just blended really well with it. So the strap is like this on the bag, and I am thrilled with it. I'm so excited. I really would love to get another one so that I could kind of change up the look of the bag and make it more summery or springy, but it's very fun and I'm so excited. I can also use this strap with any of the other bags that have the loops for crossbody. If you have crossbody bags already where it's a chain and it's thin and you know what that feels like after a while, it kind of digs into your shoulder, you could go online and look at the site and see if there are some straps that would match your bag or that you just really thought were fun, and then you could mix it up with the bags that you already own. Get one of these straps for the bags that you already have to give it kind of a fresh new look for the spring and summer. So I will list and link everything below. I hope you enjoyed seeing how you can make any bag a crossbody bag, and I will see you in my next video.